Hey there, fellow webmasters. Welcome back to HackMonks. Today we are diving into an essential aspect of website security, IP blocking using the htaccess file. And to make things super simple, we will be leveraging the powerful tool at countryipblocks.net. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will be a pro at securing your website from unwanted visitors. First thing first, let's talk about what this countryipblocks.net is. It's a fantastic online resource that provides IP address blocks for specific countries. This is especially used for enhancing your website security by restricting access from certain geographic locations. Before we jump into action, let's quickly talk about what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to generate a code for block list with the IPs, and we are going to add it to our htaccess file inside our file manager. Okay, now remember, the htaccess file is a powerful configuration file for Apache and Lightspeed web server. We will be using it to block access from specific countries provided by countryipblocks. In this specific example, I'm going to use the country Singapore. We need to locate the country Singapore, for example, like this. Okay, check this. We need to create. Remember, we need to create htaccess deny, not allow. If you wanted to use to allow specific IPs, you can use this. But we are right now blocking a country Singapore from accessing our website, easyuserguide.com. So we are going to locate this Apache htaccess deny, and we are going to click create ACL, and in a blink of an eye, you will get a customized block list for Singapore. This is ready to be implemented on your website file. All we need to do is copy this to our clipboard and add it to our htaccess file. Now, once we have copied this, once we have copied this, we need to go to our file manager inside the cpanel. We are doing this on our website, easyuserguide.com. Open file manager. Now remember, htaccess by default is a hidden file. You won't be able to see it unless you enable show hidden files and folders. I've already made several videos on my channel how to enable or view hidden files, but let's do it for new users. Click settings, show hidden files, and your htaccess file will be visible. Now we need to right click and click on added. Now we have already copied the block list code. What we are going to do, remember, always add it to the end of the list. We are going to control, and it's already copied. Now we have added, and we need to click save changes to save it. Now we need to test and monitor whether this works or not. As you can see now, you just learn how to secure your website using the htaccess file with countryipblocks.net. Now I'm unable to access the website because my IP is in the deny list. This is what your unwanted visitor will see. 403 forbidden. Access to this resource on the server is denied. And there you have it, folks. You have just learned how to secure your website using the htaccess file with countryipblocks.net. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.